Here are the air conditioners behind the hotel that I am staying at in South Carolina. I recorded these once, but thought I'd get another video of them. It appears there's a couple more over here I did not know about originally. This hopefully it doesn't lock. This is in cool mode. I don't know if it's a heat pump or not. There's a compressor just sitting back there. 4. Wonder why they're just sitting there. I'd go in there, but it doesn't seem like I can. And there's a room right there, which I'm not going to shine my light up at, but there's a PTAC, and it's running.